The Harvard Club of New York City, honest review and user experience of this exclusive private club. When you think of private clubs in Manhattan, few names carry as much prestige as the Harvard Club of New York City. But what's it really like behind those historic doors? Is it worth joining, or just another members-only status symbol? Here's my honest experience. The Harvard Club, located on West 44th Street, is a mix of old-world elegance and modern convenience. Walking through the grand lobby feels like stepping into history darkwood. Portraits of notable alumni and a quiet sense of tradition fill the air. But it's not just about atmosphere. Members get access to fine dining, a well-equipped gym, private event rooms and even overnight accommodations, something many other clubs in the city don't offer. The dining room is a highlight, offering top-notch service and classic American fare that feels refined yet comfortable. Most people get this wrong. They assume it's only for networking or business deals. In reality, the Harvard Club fosters genuine community. From alumni events to cultural lectures and charity gatherings, it's a place where professional and personal worlds blend seamlessly. The annual membership fees are on the higher side, and non-Harvard graduates can only join through specific reciprocity programs. Still, for those eligible, the club's access to reciprocal clubs worldwide adds significant value, especially for frequent travelers. In short, the Harvard Club of New York City isn't just a luxury perk, it's an experience rooted in legacy, connection and sophistication. If you're looking for a place that combines history, exclusivity and genuine community, it's definitely worth exploring.